So over here, if I were to go ahead and then get this text right here, let me just go ahead and then type in a text right here just by clicking. And let's say I want to change its shape. In that case, what I can do is I can go around over here, let's say, for example, in the contour tool, and you can go around and change around the shape, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and pull it and push it right here, and so forth, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the contour right here to change around how this actually looks. Apart from that, you can also work around with the envelope, as you can see right here, and change around the Bezier curves right here for the text just like this as well. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and pull this out right here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the distort as well, and so forth, as with any other shape. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto the text tool right here, I can still go ahead and make changes as I like. So let's say, for example, I can simply go around and say to YouTube channel and press OK, and you can see that in that particular design, the text has been updated right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and change out the text shape by using contour tool, and then the modification tools right here as you like inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.